We are currently standing at Sardar Patel COVID Care Center. This is going to contain 10,000 beds for the COVID patients who have mild symptoms. They will all be tested, and then when found positive, those people who do not have the option of home isolation will be brought here. You can see over here that the beds have been made with cardboards. A proper cardboard facility has been provided, which is quite strong actually, and the mattresses, also the pillow, everything has been provided by Sleepwell, as mentioned by the minister himself. ITBP is being congratulated time and again, because from the very start of the spread of coronavirus, they had been very instrumental in not only providing for the betterment of the COVID patients, also those people who were traveling from outside, whether it's from Wuhan, whether it's from Milan, or whether it's from other countries who were traveling, they were taken separately to the institutional quarantine center, and ITBP doctors and also volunteers and also ITBP personnel were the ones actually taking care of each and every patient. Around more than 700 doctors of ITBP will be present over here, and right now there are around 2,000 beds that have been provided. In the next 5 to 6 or 7 days rather, there will be more and more beds, and the target is 10,000 will be achieved very smoothly. That has been promised by the union government and of course the Delhi government. Now what we are going to show you around over here is definitely the preparations that has been made so far. Not only there are audio systems that have been put over here, so that if any announcement is taking place from the nurses station, then definitely it can be heard quite far to the farthest corner. There are ACs, and also there are coolers that have been put over here, so that people do not feel any kind of heat because of the kind of temperature that is rising right now. We will also show you that each and every ITBP person who is standing over here is definitely gonna help the patients. There is a charging point that has been provided for the patients, who wants to charge their phone or any kind of devices that they are carrying. I'm going to show you that what are the segments that has been made. So we are currently standing in one segment, but there is a partition over here of a yellow, yellow cloth rather. There's a partition of that, and there is another segment that has been made over here. So there are several such segments of 2,000 beds which is spanning across this entire satsang, which has been provided right now, but the target is 10,000, which will be achieved in the next 5 to 6 days, which has been said by the ITBP personnel and the satsang personnel. Sanitation facility that has been provided by the South Delhi Municipal Corporation for the for these people who will be coming over here, and there is also water facility that has been provided over here. So constant sanitization, constant disposal of waste that should take place, whether it is medical waste or any other kind of waste. These kind of dumping of waste materials, for that all these facilities has been provided already. There are water jars that will be provided also. Certain things have been kept in small numbers right now, but definitely it will be expanded and provided to each and every patient right now who will be coming over here at the satsang. So yes, these are the facilities that had already been prepared for the last few months by the coordination of South Delhi Municipal Corporation, Delhi government monitoring it, of course union government and ITBP personnel, and also doctors and nurses who are trained. So these people who are sitting over here, they are the volunteers who have all been trained so far in order to achieve the target of curing more than 10,000 patients, and more coming in the next few months, because the prediction of 5 lakh cases is definitely a huge number. There are also wheelchairs that has been provided. There were questions raised to the minister about definitely the ventilators and oxygen cylinders if required. That will not be provided over here, oxygen cylinders, but if any patient turns out to be very serious condition, will immediately be shifted to the nearest hospital via ambulances. I would like to show you the sanitation facility that has been provided. These are the movable toilet system that has already been provided on the sides of the entire facility, and yes, these will be constantly being cleaned, and hygiene will be maintained by the volunteers who are all sitting over here, and we will try and talk to certain people also. Ma'am, आपका नाम क्या है?
डॉक्टर परमजीत कौर।
Okay. कितने दिनों से आप यहाँ पे हो?
मैं अभी 3 मंथ्स रिसेंट ज्वाइन किया है।
So यहाँ की जितनी भी फैसिलिटीज़ है वो अभी अप टू मार्क है टू रिसीव पेशेंट्स इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days?
यस।
एंड वेयर इज़ योर डॉकिंग स्टेशन, या फिर अलग से कहाँ पे आप लोग, मतलब कोई स्टेशन है आप लोग का जहाँ पे आप पीपी सूट्स ये सब उतारोगे?
अभी उसका इंस्ट्रक्शंस अभी आगे फॉलो होगा। द प्लेसेस दे गोइंग टू टेल अस।
तो जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं सारे डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेस एंड ITV?
वी ऑल आर द डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेस और पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ्स।
और कितने वॉलंटियर्स आने वाले हैं अभी?
अभी 1000 का जैसे कि बोला गया है, तो आगे और अभी हमारे कुछ डॉक्टर्स हैं जो कि बटालियन में हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ भी केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो वो वहाँ से कंट्रोल करके यहाँ आने वाले रिपोर्ट करने।
Thank you so much for speaking to Republic TV. So that's one of the doctor who is our COVID warrior, who will be looking after the patients who will be coming over here to get treated and cured and finally go back home.